Me have couple dog, me know that it for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just remember me. I have to protect the dog, them member enough for it. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. If you are free, one of my brother, then you want to free me. After all, dog and us a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in upon a wall. On mark, yeah.
This one I'm gonna lay my edges for work. I just hate and I'm not rich people in school. I just take off my head tie.
I didn't live in our car, people.
No, I don't. Don't make it sound so nasty. Only thing me have is a tired. I lie. Nothing else not in here. And water.
Someone take a shake.
What is this? What is this? It's an alcoholic beverage. And I don't. I probably got.
How she come a lot of them and finish the crown? Try that.
You know how that corn in from we got igloo. From the grand opening. I know they
Don't sing her because you don't like her. Don't sing it because you don't like it. This is a dirty girl I'm going to come talk about. What? What? Me I go request one person Indian tomorrow.
Mike, you go around some tune on this, yeah?
Yeah, Superman.
When you make a dollar, you fi spin it. You fi turn it around and spin it. You relax it inna the billy. Now I want back at it when you see me. Some fresh cash. Fresh cash. Fresh cash. As my Friday gone, my Friday come back. Fresh cash. Fresh cash.
Hey! Pokemon scan. Pokemon scan.
I'm your heart clean to the Pokemon scan. Pokemon scan. Pokemon scan. I'm your heart clean.
What was that? Put that in your ear where you smell good.
Oh, it gone. She did have 2 rice grain right there, so people look how she have fuck up her cow food.
This is gonna eat cow food. But she don't part that have all everything at you.
You not understand what she said?
This is how you eat bone.
Right.
Do it until there's nothing left. True? I'm sorry. Until there's nothing.
You suck out all the marrow and everything too. Yeah, I say you're finna and bone. Cow food is so fucking nasty.
This is so good. It's too nasty, so sticky and ill.
I don't like it anymore.
Why
Like,
is sticky pie, yeah? You like it?
yeah, but me not eat it.
Come here, show it to you. You're vlogging it? Oh my god.
Vlog it.
That no can't edit out.
Oh.
It's not a YouTuber. Guys, guess what? I'm in Florida. Oh my god.
Real friends.
I am at what is Sawgrass? Sawgrass Mills Mall. Months. And they brought me to Cheesecake Factory. Shadi a cuss right now because Mutsia. Oh shit, it's all gonna get wet. Shadi a cuss in our vlog because somebody just messaged Samantha on Snapchat and say, in my head, I would think that you guys are real friends. Bitch. Yes. Anybody ain't got time for that, okay? Okay. Stand me not have nothing for proof to nobody about no part of my life. So I'm too old right now. I'm 27. I'm gonna be 28 in 90. I'm gonna be 28 in 90 something days. You understand? 90 odd days I'm gonna be 28 years old. I don't have time for fake friend or fake friendship or putting my time into certain things, and this is not for views or nothing like that, because I can honestly tell you this is probably the second time I pull out my phone today to start record, because I'm just in the moment. Right, because I'm literally just in the moment, because we've been waiting for this moment for so fucking long. And there was so many times before when me almost reached down here and me cancel or whatever. Them did grudge me for, but you know, things was going on and stuff like that. But me reach now, and I'm having time with my friends. Time
of our life.
Right. So, well, the time of her life. So yeah.
I'm trying to have the time of my life, but they don't want me to.
No, she's not getting. No.
Put and delete.
None for day. So let's go to Cheesecake Factory. No, ma'am, nobody wants that.
By the bar. By the bar. By the bar.
You guys, so we got to Cheesecake Factory. Well, yo, yeah, you. It's real, it's lit. Y'all, look at my nails. I think I don't weft them, fuck up my nails, but oh well. So yeah, me just look to see what me I go get. I know what drink I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get a Watch out, you buy me something? Watch out. Lord Jesus. So you go shopping and you not buy me no more?
She go buy shopping.
Yeah, go get. Don't mix me. What am I buy again? Passion fruit margarita, right? You get Bellini?
Yeah.
I think this is a margarita. Passion fruit. Oh, what is a passion fruit? Oh, you know, look orange in that video.
I know passion fruit. Mine done already.
Say hi to Stacy, guys. Yeah, she have our little cute pasta bracelet them where I pinned it.
And I sleeping.
Holy shit. You know, so I think I had this whole time till the light flash and I can't see the air underneath. Oh God. Shots of water. I made you look thirsty. You guys, I'm go to the bathroom and come back. I'm gonna drink there, right? You see me drinks. Shade get ours the same time. Shade drink though. Well, me I get food, so. No man, so long you tell them for cook little food.
I'm upset.
Why? We got our food. I got the bistro shrimp, pasta, and a wing from Dave. Sammy got shrimp alfredo and a chicken wing from Sandy. Look like that pretty. No man, that pretty Stacey don't eat it. Herb crusted salmon. She get buffalo. She get wings with bread.
Big bumper, girl, time from your bumper, big shake it up like some girl graduate to the Wi-Fi live. Them not like because the Wi-Fi is.
Them a talk about the face, it's in a shape. Go thump in a face, it's in a waist. Maxine will come from not a bad place. So I know you talk, me not do the chase. Now pressure go in them a elevate. So many people for come here and celebrate. Now no time to cross this some more. Rush them off them everywhere.
Them girl graduate to the Wi-Fi live. Them not like because the Wi-Fi is. Some girl don't know what Wi-Fi is. Life from the little that are the nicest. Why me take your money and no style like this? No boundless, God bless a child like this. That no good at in a time like this. Bamboo ever put up down. People yard we no catch up, and we no match up, and it no make sense to compare because me a paper them a catch up.
Body dirty for sure. Entrepreneur, and anyone me shop a straight Gucci couture. Bumper big body sturdy for sure. Now watch me when me a work to a store. Not touching to the life I live.
Count all money and we dropping.